All right, so here we go with modifiers lesson 2. Last week we just did the 3 degrees of comparison, right? Positive, comparative, superlative. Not too tough. Of course, this is the English language. The English language is bananas. And so we have things called irregular comparisons. You can't say good, gooder, goodest. You've been speaking English long enough, most of you, to understand that. So we have some strange words, and I've got them all listed right here for you. Good becomes better, becomes best. So does well. It becomes better, it becomes best. Down here, many and much both become more and most. So what you're going to find this week is similar exercise. Let me just hit the preview button here to show you what you're up to. You'll notice, first of all, that I have put those same words right here on top of the instructions for you. So if you need a reminder of what they look like, there they are. Far is in distance, farther versus farthest. Far as time goes, further and furthest. So I can throw the ball farther than my son can. My dad can throw the ball the farthest. However, when we're talking, I'll say to my kid, hey, we're going to discuss this further when you get home. We're not going to discuss it farther. That wouldn't really make any sense, right? So your little exercise this week's got 20 sentences, very similar to last week. What you're going to do, I'm going to have to shift this whole thing over here so you can see the whole sentence. It says, of my 3 sisters, Rita lives the blank away. You can see here in parentheses, I've got the word far. Am I going to say she lives the farther away? Probably not. So you're going to want to make sure that you type this in and spell it correctly. I almost just didn't right there. Farthest. And that's how you're going to get the point for that. Remember, you can take this as many times as you want, or really up to 20, but nobody ever goes that far anyway, and you will get your highest score. All right, so exactly the same concept as last week, just a few of the weird words we have in English. Good luck.